Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Today I'm showing you how to make my recipe for buttermilk banana bread. I love making this recipe around the holidays because it's such a great make-ahead dish. Make this banana bread the night before and have an easy breakfast everyone will love. This is my favorite banana bread recipe. It's got that classic sweet banana bread flavor and it's incredibly moist. This is my go-to recipe anytime I have overripe bananas. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add 2½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together until it's well combined. In a separate bowl, mash 3 overripe bananas with a fork or a potato masher until you have about 1 cup of mashed bananas. Add 2 large eggs to the bananas and mix them together. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ a cup of canola oil or your preferred cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix this together until it's well combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Stir this together until it's just combined, trying not to overmix the batter. Pour the batter into a loaf pan that's been sprayed with cooking spray. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. One of the most important steps to making the best banana bread is not overbaking it. I always cook mine for 1 hour and it turns out perfectly. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes. It'll continue to cook while it's in the pan. Then transfer the bread onto a wire cooling rack to cool completely. Slice the bread and store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator. In fact, this bread is best after it's been chilled in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. I like to make it the day before I want to serve it. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.